How to activate eSIM on Android. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or activate an eSIM on your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So if you just signed up for a cellular carrier and they're giving you an eSIM, most likely they give you a QR code or an activation code that we can enter on our phone in order to add that eSIM to our Android phone. So to do this, it's actually really easy. The first thing we need to do is swipe up from the bottom and go all the way down to the bottom and select Settings. Once we're in the settings, we need to open up the SIM card area. And depending on your phone, this might be different. So if it doesn't look like this, I recommend searching SIM, and then you'll see SIM right there. But I'm going to select Network and Internet at the top, and then I'm going to select SIMs. And then all we need to do is select Download a new eSIM. Now my phone is locked to Verizon, so it's going to automatically go to Verizon. But if your phone is unlocked or locked to a different carrier, it'll bring up either a menu of carriers that you can select or the carrier that your phone's locked to. And check the description, I'll have different instructions for activating an eSIM for different cellular carriers down there. From here, you can either scan the QR code with your camera, and if you're not sure how to do that, check the description, I have a tutorial going over that. Or if you just have an activation code, select Need Help, and then select Enter it manually. So now you could enter your activation code in here and then select Continue in the bottom right, and then you will have added the eSIM to your Android phone. All right, so that's how you activate eSIM on Android. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.